This question is also coming from one of my fans, asking me to express this fraction as a single fraction. Now, when you want to solve for fractions, anytime you have either a plus or a minus, the first thing you think of is for you to find the LCM between the two denominators. Now, whenever the denominators are different, just try to multiply the denominators, then that multiplication serves as the LCM. So if I want to find the LCM between x minus 2 and 1 minus x, then we just need to draw our LCM line and multiply the two denominators. This is x minus 2 and here we have 1 minus x, right? So now the next step is for us to divide. This denominator divided by this, then you have this one again, okay? But for you not to confuse, just try to cross multiply now. Just try to multiply this by this, you multiply this by this. It's just the same thing. So that is, we are now going to multiply x plus 1 multiplied by what? 1 minus x. This is a minus, so let's extend this line. We have x plus 2 multiplied by this other denominator, which is x minus 2, right? Now, we try to expand the numerator, okay? So x times 1 is the same thing as x, minus x times x is x squared, plus 1 times 1 is 1, plus and minus is minus. 1 times x will give us x. So we have just expanded this side. Minus, let us also expand this other side. We now have x times x to give us x squared, and the x and this, but this one has a negative sign. X times 2 is 2x, plus this is 2 times x to give us 2x, plus and minus is minus. 2 times 2 is now 4, right? So we have also expanded the other side. All this divided by x minus 2 and 1 minus x. We are trying to simplify to the lowest term, okay? So now, looking at this side, this is x minus x, the x terms. They have the same coefficient separated by a minus. So anytime you have that, just go and cancel them out. So now we end up having minus x squared plus 1, okay, minus, let us check inside this bracket. Let's simplify there. We have x squared minus 2x plus 2x. They also have the same coefficients. So it is going to give us 0, or you cancel them out. So we end up having minus 4, okay? All these divided by the denominator, which is x minus 2 multiplied by 1 minus x, right? Now, this is just minus x squared plus 1. We can now use minus to open this further brackets. So minus times x squared is minus x squared. Minus times minus 4 is going to give us plus 4. Because minus times minus is plus. All this divided again by x minus 2 multiplied by 1 minus x. Okay, you keep on simplifying to the lowest term. So now, this is minus x squared minus x squared. So we have got 2 minus x squared, but we take one of the signs. So it's going to give us minus 2x squared, right? This is plus 1 plus 4 is going to give us plus 5. All this divided by x minus 2 and 1 minus x. So I think at this point, we have nothing else to simplify, okay? So we can decide to stop here as our final answer. So this particular fraction has been simplified into its lowest term. This is just